Next, LCM, least common multiple. Today our topic LCM, least common multiple. How to find LCM? So first you have to take any two numbers. I have to take 4. What is the multiple? 4 multiple. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 16, and again 20, 24, and so on I am writing. I am taking again 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 18, 24, and so on. So these are the multiples, 4 multiple and 6 multiple. Common multiple, what are the? First 12, 24. So common multiples, what are the common multiples? 12, 24, 36, hard to write. So in this, which is least? 12 is the least number. So LCM of 4 and 6, 4 and 6 is 12. Understand? This is how to find LCM. Just you have to write common multiples. Okay? In this common multiple, you have to write factors. You have to pick up which are the common multiple. On this, which is small, that is only LCM, least common multiple. 12 is the least common multiple. Okay? Next. This is again find LCM of 12 and 15. LCM of 12 and 15. So in this common multiple, what are the? 30 and 60 only. 30, 60, 90, and so on. So in this, which is least? 30 is the least. Therefore, LCM of 10, 15 and 10 is 30. Okay? This is the general method. Next, we are going for the factorization method. How to find LCM? By factorization method. LCM finding with the prime factorization method. You know how to do prime factorization? Same like that only. First 10 and 15. 10 and 15. Prime factorization method. In this you have to take which is the common factor for both. So what is the prime factors? Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. But here take 2 is not possible for both. 3 is also not possible. 5 is possible. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 3 ja. So here you know, because 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. If you are interested, you have to go another thing. So 2 1 ja, 3 is not divisible by 3. That is called right as it is 3. Next again 3. 1 as it is 3. 3 1 ja 3. So LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 5 2 is 10, 30. This is for prime factorization method. This previous we have found the multiple method. This is for prime factorization method. Multiple method for general method only. We are not using in every time. Here this LCM method is we are using in everywhere for easy calculations. Okay. Next again I am going for the another one problem. Find LCM of 25, 30 and 40. We have to find the LCM of 25, 30 and 40. So first you have to take 25, 30, 40. So first I am taking 2 is the one prime number. 2 is divide these two. That's enough. So next 25 is not in 2 table. As it is you have to write 25. Next 2 15 ja, 2 20 ja. Next 2 after here 2 is only divide this, not 2. 3 is also only 15, not possible. Now I am going for the 5. 5 5 ja 25, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20. Next again I am taking 5. 5 1 ja 3 as it is 4. Next 3, 1 as it is, 3 ones are 4 as it is. So here only one number, remaining are 2. That's you have to stop there. You have to stop there. Next LCM. LCM is equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 4. So 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 4. Because multiple with ones, whatever number, that number, that's why I am not rated. Okay? That is equal to 5 5 are 25, 25, 2 ja 50. 50 into 3 4 ja 12. 12 5 ja 6600. Therefore, LCM of 25, 30, 40 is 600. 600. Okay? Understand? This is for finding LCM. The first one multiple method. This is factorization method. Not only to have to take any number. Okay? Next, again I am telling for another method. So LCM of 10, 20 and 40. Find LCM of 10, 20 and 40. So 10, 20 and 40. So first I am taking 2. 2 5s are, 2 10s are, 2 20s are. Next again I am taking direct 2, 5, 2 5s are, 2 4s are. Next I am taking 2 10s are. Next I am taking for 5. 5 1s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So LCM is equal to 2 into 5 into 2. That is equal to 40. So observe here, 40 is the multiple of 10 and 20, both numbers. So whenever one number is multiple of another, then that number only is LCM. So 40 is multiple of 10 and 20. That is LCM. This is for, if is given, you can easily find. For example, if you take 25 and 75. So 75 is the multiple of 25. 25 3 is 75. Therefore, LCM of 25 and 75 is 75 only. Okay? This is for easy to understand. So not is possible. When one number is multiple for another number, then that is the LCM of given number. Next, again one have to listen. So find the LCM of 8, 16 and 20 and 40. So we have to find the LCM of 8, 16, 20 and 40. So some members are doing 8, 16, 20 and 40. So simple thing. 8 and 16. 16 is the multiple of 8. So find LCM. 16 is enough. Here 20 and 40. 40. So now we have to find LCM of 60 and 40. Because 8 LCM is 16. 20 LCM is also 40. So we are getting problem only 16 and 40. Because 8 5s are 40 also. Now we have to find LCM. So I am taking 2. 2 8s are 16, 20. 2. Again 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 10s are 20. Next again 2. 2 2s are 2 5s. So now I am finding the LCM. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16, 5s are 80. So LCM of, therefore simply LCM of 18, 16, 20 and 40 is 80. So otherwise you have to do method like this only. 8, 16, 20, 40 have to do same division factorization method. You are getting same value only. This is for just synchronizing, easy to solve. Okay, this is for LCM, least common multiple. Okay, thank you students, thank you for watching my video.